The Powder Coating King is back. Reno King and I have some unfinished business to talk about. In this episode, we cover everything from pigments to productivity. We'll even show you how to use a side hustle to generate more business for your powder coating biz. Plus, we talk about how he's starting to use pigments as a more affordable way to counter the rising costs of purchasing powder. Finally, we mix in some tech talk to seamlessly tie your business workflow from end to end. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.